everyone! Today we will be making a fun and delicious tuna dish. For this recipe, you will need 11 ingredients. We'll start with 2 cups of whole wheat pasta, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, 6 carrots peeled and chopped, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 5-ounce can of tuna, 1/4 cup of low-fat yogurt, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. Cook your pasta according to package directions. I boiled my water, added my pasta, and cooked for about 8 to 10 minutes. Heat oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Sauté garlic, carrots, and peas until cooked thoroughly. In a medium bowl, add pasta, tuna, stir in yogurt, lemon juice, and Parmesan cheese. Mix everything together, add in cooked vegetables, and stir. Mix in parsley and season to taste with salt and pepper. Enjoy!